What a car this Bentley has been. From the moment it was dropped off on my driveway, I knew that this was going to be the most challenging and biggest builds that we've done on the channel so far. And it's been so amazing to share every single part of it with you guys. From rebuilding it to driving it over 2,000 miles to Monaco and back. This has got to be one of the best looking cars I've done to date. And now the final pieces have been repaired. It drives so well. Guys, the Bentley has had its final repair done to it and it is finally finished. I've picked it up from Curtis Johnson's. They've done the gearbox service on it, fixed the oil leak and also fixed the engine mount as well. It drives so much smoother now. Why I didn't get this done before Monaco, I don't know. Probably because I didn't have enough time. But this is the end of the project and it is now time to get rid of the Bentley Continental GT. But that's right guys, it's time for the Bentley to go. It's going to be leaving the channel, but not the conventional way of just selling a car, obviously. So guys, you guessed it, I'm going to be giving away my Bentley Continental GT to one of you guys. Oh no, here we are, another YouTuber giving away a car in a raffle. Yes, I know it seems like that, but look at it from my perspective. YouTube is literally becoming like my full-time job now, thanks to every single one of you guys. And I want to keep the channel fresh, I want to keep it entertaining. And by doing that, I need to literally swap the cars. I'm not one of these rich YouTube guys that can just keep every single car I do, which I wish I could. But by giving one of you guys a chance to win it, it's going to give me satisfaction. I can make content through it. And it's also going to help me sell the car quicker to release money to buy new projects. Yeah, that's fair enough. But isn't this just like a big money-making scheme? You're just ripping everyone off. No, it's not a massive money-making scheme. I'll tell you in a minute how much the tickets will be and how many tickets will be available, but I will literally just be taking the money back that I put into this car, which I think is fair enough. It is literally me trying to do it as fair as possible for you guys to make sure that we both get the best deal, and at the end of the day you're going to win a Bentley Continental GT for mega cheap, believe me. Okay, point proven, fair enough. Good luck to everyone that actually enters in, and if you do win this, it is a sick car, trust me. So, here's the deal guys. So to win this car, it's only going to cost £15 per ticket. The car is going to be given away by Exclusive Competitions, who've given away my Audi S5 previously to Craig, who I think he owned it for a while and then sold it, but good on him, he owned it and he had his fun with it, and now it's on to somebody else. But the link is going to be in the description for you to enter, so you can either go there and click now and enter if you really want to be quick, because the S5's ticket sold really fast. But let's go through the full details. So basically there's going to be 1,899 tickets available. That is it. Hang on a minute, that doesn't add up to £20,000. Yes, I know that doesn't add up to £20,000, which is what the whole car cost me, but I will only be taking £20,000 back out of it. £2,000 of that will be going in the boot for the winner. So not only will you win the car, you'll win £2,000 cash in the boot as well. And the rest of the money goes to Exclusive Competitions. Obviously, they're a business, they've got to pay wages, put money on the table, pay for ads, everything like that, and they've got to make profit. But I can assure you that I will only be taking £20,000 back out of the car. I'm not taking any profit out of this, guys. Now the competition will be run for 7 days, and I'm hoping by then we would have sold all the tickets. If we have sold the tickets before then, we'll do an early prize draw. And now the prize draw is going to be live on my YouTube channel. Obviously, I'll notify you guys on my Instagram and Facebook as well. I'm going to be with exclusive competitions, and what they'll do is a Google random number generator like they do with all their competitions. Obviously, you'll get a raffle number. If your number gets picked, then you literally have won the Bentley Continental GT with 2 grand in the boot. Now, if you win it, the only thing you got to worry about is me turning up to your house to give you the Bentley Continental GT. Unless you're in Europe or somewhere overseas, then you've got to arrange delivery yourself. I'm not going to do another bloody road trip in it. I've done enough. I still find it sick sitting on my driveway as it is. It is such a sick car, and I literally cannot say a bad word about it, apart from the amount of fuel it drinks. But then once you've got it, it's literally up to you what you do with it. You could sell it, you could drive it around, you could make a YouTube channel, you could sell it for parts. Either way, you're going to be in a massive profit, and you're going to have a W12 Bentley Continental GT on your driveway. Now, as always, with most of the things I do, there's going to be people that don't like what I do. And some people won't like this raffle, but I'm not forcing you to enter. If you don't like it, don't enter. Take it as a bit of fun, guys. Even if you don't win, you're going to be supporting the channel, and even if you do win, you're going to be supporting the channel, because I'm going to be turning up at your house to give you the Bentley Continental GT. So guys, I really do wish you all the best of luck if you do enter to win the Bentley Continental GT, and I can't wait to give it away to one of you guys. It's going to be so sick. Well, see you in the next video, guys, where hopefully we will be revealing the next project car. Peace out.
Drug there